Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be creating this. See this t-shirt right here? It looks plain in my eyes, and I'm going to try to revamp it so it's kind of sellable, I guess, on Etsy and like places like Redbubble as well. So let's just start and jump right in, y'all. So first and foremost, I need to create a design, and my customized template is going to be a 4500 by 5400 pixels. So I'm going to create that, and I want this to be, the text to be like nice and rugged, rough. And so when I can't figure out, because there's so many fonts you can choose here on Canva, I like to use the templates, and I'll type in like a word. So in this case, boxing. And because that's what I think when I think rough, rugged, I think boxing for some reason. And I try to look for something, or pretty much to the T, what I want in a font. And like, for instance, this one here is perfect right there, where it says blood fist. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that. I'm going to delete this whole template. So just undo, and then I'm going to hit paste, and there's the font or the text, but I need to make it black so I can see it. And instead of putting blood fist, I'm going to type in Toronto's. Oh, and that looks wonderful. Okay, so perfect. So I'm just going to bring that up a bit, and I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to paste that again, bring it down here, and I'm going to type in finest. And I'm just going to align it to the left here, bring that in some more. There we go. Okay, and now I also need to type in, I wanted to add something more to that shirt, so I think it would be good to put in the area code of Toronto, with one of them at least, and the most popular one is 416. So again, I'm just going to copy paste, and I'm going to type in 416, and just move that again to the side a bit, close it up a bit here, and there we go. Now I think it would be cool to put the iconic CN Tower, because that symbolizes Toronto. So I'm going to go into elements and see what Canva can throw at me here. I put Toronto, but I think I should put CN Tower here. And let's see here. Something simple like this one here. Let's see. Okay, let's bring this up here. I'll bring it here actually. Yeah, that would work. Okay, but I don't want the red. I want it to be all black here. So perfect. Okay, so we'll just leave that to the side. So let's start with aligning everything now, the text. So I'm going to put Toronto's, and I'm aligning finest with Toronto. And I think what I want to do is with this here, I want this to be one of the T's. So I want it to be the Toronto, the second T in Toronto. But I don't like how this looks right now with the T sticking out there. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove that T, hit space to make room for that T. See if I can scroll in just a bit here. Yeah, for that T. I'll just align it. Okay, let's see how that looks. All right. And then the 416 will go right here. Okay, so obviously this needs cleaning up now. So I think the Toronto is just too spaced out for me. So I want to bring this down a bit here so you can see what I'm doing. I think I want to bring in the letters here a bit. Yeah, let's give that a go. And then the word finest, same thing. We gotta bring that in to a degree here. Hopefully it will align perfectly. If not, we can fix that. Yeah, we can fix it a bit here. So we're at negative 81. No, don't want to go that that far out. Okay. And let's do, I feel like, I don't know if let's start with the tower here actually. I think, let's see if I bring it down a bit, what will happen? Yeah, that's a little bit better there. Yeah, okay. And I think it's kind of centered between the O and the N, just a bit. I'm gonna move it to the left a bit. All right, there we go. And then the 416 now. We're gonna have to bring that in too. So it's the 6 and the S are aligned with one another here. So let's just bring that in some more here. I think that's aligned. Let's zoom in. Let's see how aligned we are here. Yeah, I mean, that's not bad. Okay, so I'm just gonna zoom back out and just have a look at it and be like, oh my gosh, like, look at this, y'all. This is good. So all I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna blow it up some more here. So by grouping it and then stretch it out. That's a little bit too much there. From corner to corner. There you go. And okay, so that's dead middle, but I know the tower is gonna make it, no, it's not bad. Okay, I thought it was just gonna be a little bit off in regards to centering from top to bottom, but it's not bad. And let's see what it looks like here. I'm just gonna have to move this down more here. Okay, that's centered. Perfect. And just like that, voila, y'all. And so we literally went from this plain shirt. I'm not dogging it or anything like that, but I mean, it needed a little bit more, let's say, je ne sais quoi. And now we've gone from that shirt to this. And so I think this would sell. I don't know. What do you think? I mean, leave your comments below. But so now this is ready to go on places like Redbubble, Etsy, TeeSpring, any type of print on demand. If you got your Cricut, your silhouettes, this would be perfect to use. So let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, holler at your girl, because I love doing things like this. And yeah, thanks again for watching. Y'all take care. Have yourself a good day. Bye.